Success leaves clues, and if you are wanting to build your wealth, then you need to build your wealth the way the wealth class builds theirs. In this video, I am sharing 4 things that the wealthy do to build their wealth, and no, investing in the stock market isn't on this list, okay? And so grab you a piece of paper or a notebook and something to write with, and take notes because class is in session. And so real quick, if you are new to me or to the channel, my name is Katrice, and I am a licensed health and life insurance broker and paralegal. And I help women entrepreneurs to grow, protect, and secure their finances using a comprehensive, personalized strategy based on their financial goals and risk tolerance. And so if you would like more information on how you can grow, protect, and secure your finances, then you can book a free consultation with me to discuss your financial goals. Also, check out my resources to help you learn how to properly purchase insurance and manage your finances, okay? The link is in the description of this video. All right, and so today I'm explaining how the wealthy use life insurance to passively grow their wealth, okay? Now, do they probably invest in the stock market? I'm sure they do. But that's not what we're talking about today. We are talking about how to use life insurance to grow your wealth. And if you are wanting to grow your wealth, then you are going to want to follow suit, okay? So the first thing they do is they use life insurance to create generational wealth, okay? Now, many people think that life insurance is only to pay for funeral expenses and final debts. And while that may have been true in the past, it is no longer true, okay? And so the wealth class sees it as a way to pass down tax-free millions to their heirs, okay? So they purchase policies large enough to set up their children and their grandchildren for life, okay? Now, there is no limit to how many life insurance policies you can purchase. So you can purchase as many as you can afford, okay? Now, the next thing that they do is they borrow from their own policies instead of using bank loans, okay? And so they use the cash value in their accrued life insurance so that they don't have to borrow from the bank, which then in turn they essentially become their own lender, okay? And this is way more cost effective than it would be trying to get a loan from the bank, okay? First off, they borrow from their policy at a very low or possibly 0% interest rate. Their money keeps growing even while they are using it. And there's no credit checks. That's the best part of it at all. So they're not at the mercy of the bank for approval, okay? And so I have a video if you want to go more in depth to learn how cash value works. I have a video, it's in my life insurance playlist. I will link that in the description of this video where you can go in and you can learn exactly how cash value works, okay? Now, before I get to the next tip, if you are finding value in this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Because it lets YouTube know that you are enjoying the video and to share it out with more people, okay? All right, and so the third point, they use it to pay less in taxes legally, okay? So cash value life insurance, it grows tax-free, and most people don't know this. But the wealth class does, and they take full advantage of it by using it to store money, and they avoid capital gains taxes, and they access their cash value without tax penalties, okay? And then the fourth thing that I want to mention today is that they use it as an income stream for retirement, okay? You know, I have been talking about retirement, and I do have a whole playlist on retirement. because it's very important, especially with everything that is going on in the United States with Social Security and everything. There's really a shift that's taking place right now. And so if you are waiting around for the government to help you or to be there for you when it comes to your retirement, you're going to be up the creek without a paddle. And so it's time, you need to take control of your finances, especially if you are a millennial, okay? Then you definitely need to, now is the perfect time for you to start taking control of your finances, okay? And so what the Wealth Class does is it uses index universal life policies and annuities to, one, guarantee tax-free income in retirement. They lock in market gains with zero risk of loss. And they keep growing their money while withdrawing from it, okay? So they're not worried about the stock market crashes or outliving their savings, because they have set themselves up with market-proof retirement vehicles, okay? And so entrepreneurs, if you are wanting to become wealthy and pass down generational wealth, then take note and do as the wealthy do. Okay, I know this is a short video. Normally my videos are a lot longer, but I really just wanted to get these 4 points out so that you can see just how powerful life insurance is. Okay, and if you don't have any life insurance, or you are not taking advantage of the power of life insurance, then you definitely want to book a consultation with me so that you can see just how you can use life insurance to take control of your future and to pass down generational wealth to your children and your grandchildren and your great-grandchildren, okay? All right, and so if you have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate you. My goal is to always provide practical, actionable financial advice to help you take control of your future. And so if this video has helped you, if it has sparked any interest, please do give it a thumbs up and share it out with someone else who needs this info. Also, if you like the content that you receive from this channel, then please do consider subscribing and hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, okay? And so drop me a comment below and let me know which tip from this list are you most excited about to implement, okay? These are some great tips, and so I'm curious to see which one you are most excited about, okay? And so that's all I have for you. And so until the next video, remember, the way to secure your financial future is to protect it now, because no one is coming to save you. All right, have a good one.